Hey guys, so this is probably going to be my only makeup look for fall because I swear every time I do a fall makeup look I always talk about how I'm not going to do another one because I have a billion. I feel like if there's any look where I'm wearing a brown lip, I automatically put that in like the fall makeup category. And I always tell myself, I was like, don't do another fall look. But I mean, it's fall. I know it's probably winter. It's probably snowing where you guys are at. But here in San Diego, it's finally starting to get cold and there's finally some dead leaves on the ground. So now I'm finally feeling the fall vibes. And this will probably be my only fall look this year. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. Hey guys, hopefully it's not too dark for you. I swear I have to start filming at like noon because it's 3 and the sun is like practically gone. So today I'm going to be using my KimChi Chic Rainbow Sharts palette again. I mentioned when I first used this that out of all my palettes, I feel like this has the best neutral shades and they don't smudge or they don't like muddy up. That's why I keep using this for the neutral looks. And today it's going to be super easy. I'm just using 3 shades and 3 brushes. I say it's easy a lot in a lot of my videos. I do mean it when I say this makeup look is easy. But honestly, like, this is a very easy look. So I'm just taking a pencil brush and the shade Chocolate, the deep dark brown. Take whatever deep dark brown you have. And I'm just going to kind of draw an eyeliner above my crease, like right there. I'm just drawing that line. Like I said, I'm not trying to get too messy since I want to be precise with this pencil brush. And I'm just gonna slightly wing it out like that. Just start here in the middle just so I can kind of gauge where I'm going to draw that wing. See, that already looks taller than this side. It usually always is. So I guess this is my fall look, even though it feels like everyone else is in winter time. But now that it's finally getting cold in San Diego, maybe at like the end of the month or January, February, maybe that's when I could do a winter look. I'm just gonna go in with a Sigma. The number is scratched off. I'm pretty sure this is just a tapered crease brush and the shade Burnt. So just 3 shades of brown, dark brown, medium brown, and light brown. That is it. So again, we're going in with Burnt. We're just gonna soften up the top of Chocolate. I forgot to put my mic on. I don't know if you can hear my upstairs neighbors, but I can kind of hear them. Check. Check, 1, 2, 3. Is it working? Yeah, I don't know what it is. Like, this palette has the best browns to work with. I feel like every palette has like these brown crease shades and everything, but they're never like as smooth and they can easily get muddy, yet this doesn't, which is what I would expect for every other palette, but nope. Now for the third brown, we're going to go in with Toast, the lighter brown. And that is our last shade. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back in with that darkest shade Chocolate again, just for a little bit of definition. In the camera it looks pretty dark, but I feel like I need it to be a little bit sharper. Okay, and one more time we're gonna blend that out with Burnt. Okay guys, and that is it. Only took 10 minutes. Of course, I have to clean it up with some concealer. I honestly wouldn't mind wearing this. I mean, it looks crazy right now, but I feel like I could totally wear this. Like, it looks simple, but at the same time, I feel like you could party in this look. Maybe if I was going to a festival. I'm just gonna get some of my Tarte Shape Tape so I can clean up. And I'm just using my Anastasia number 3 brush. If I was being my normal self, where I would want to put glitter over everything, you could easily put like a gold glitter liner on that curve. But I don't know, I'm just not feeling glitter today. Or you could use glitter eyeliner for your liquid liner here, just to spice it up. Or use a different eyeliner shade. I don't know, like I'm feeling a little simple today. I mean, look how easy that is. Okay, so I think that is it with the eyes. See? It was simple. Apparently simple for me means no glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. I'm just gonna be using NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. Okay, let me just put on some lower lash eyeshadow while I let that dry. So I'm gonna go back in with Chocolate, the deepest brown. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the black shade Onyx. I'm not really in the mood to put any eyeliner on, so I'm just gonna use this as eyeliner. Okay, and for lashes, I'm gonna be using Makeda Beauty's Lashes in Queens again. I'm sorry, but these are just so easy to put on. Like, I think I have 5 or 6 lashes, and like I just keep grabbing these because, like I said, they're super easy to put on, especially for someone like me who sucks at putting eyelashes. Like, I'm gonna reach for the easy ones. This Duo Lash Glue is still going. I've been using this for 3 years now, but again, it's not like I use this every day. I use this for my videos. Should probably get a new one, but oh well. Okay, while I wait for that to dry, I'm just gonna put on this Thrive mascara. Don't have a mirror. Okay, I should probably make a wing in the inner corner because it's looking a little flat right there. Unless I put it on the wrong way. Yep. I put it on the wrong lid. I think it's supposed to be on this side. There's still glue on there. Probably gonna have to curl my lashes because you can see how heavy that is. Okay, while I'm waiting for this to dry, I should probably put mascara on the other side. This is like one of the best mascaras, but I don't use it for my videos because I want to save it for like real life. But seriously, this is one of the cleanest and easiest mascaras. I'm just gonna wait for that to dry. Yeah, I should probably curl my lashes because you can see how much this is bending. I'm just gonna draw a wing in the inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna go curl these lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna use the only highlighter I use for fall looks, which is Laura Geller's Gilded Honey. I never really like gold or bronzy highlighters on me. I just don't, but I feel like the only time I could really use this highlighter is for fall looks. And I keep telling myself maybe I should try something new for fall, but I mean, it's bronze. Like, all my fall looks are all bronze. See, it just looks so nice and glowy. I have no idea how to curl my eyelashes when I have lashes on because they don't fit the eyelash curler. Like, how do you stick that whole lash in there? Like, I'm always wondering because I feel like this is a pretty thick lash curler. This is Shiseido. Let's see if I'm trying to get that up like this side. Okay. See, like, I can never get a whole lash in there. And if I do, I'm gonna like bend the fake lash. There has to be a way. I know there are lash curlers that look kind of like that. Put some Gilded honey on the collarbone. I do think this is one of the prettiest highlighters, like for your shoulders or your collarbone. On my face you can kind of see the gold and the brown on this. But since my body is tanner than my face, I feel like it matches pretty well. Okay, let's move on to lips. I mean, obviously you can go with a nude, but I really need to cover up my chapped lips. I swear no matter how much water I drink during winter, I will still have really like painfully chapped lips. Okay, so since I don't have a dark brown lip liner, I'm just going to be using Lime Crime Salem for a lip liner. This is a little bit too dark for a brown lipstick that I want right now, so I'm just going to use it as a lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm gonna be using Jouer's Cerise Noir. I still have all of their sample size lipstick from a Christmas set I bought like 3 years ago, and they're still going strong. I use them a lot. I feel like I should end up buying a full size liquid lipstick. See, I feel like it looks like a fall look. As soon as you put on a brown lipstick, you could have like a blue lid, pink lid, orange lid, whatever lid, but as soon as you put on a brown lipstick, it looks like it's fall time. Okay guys, so that is it for our fall, at least starting to become fall here in San Diego look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.